Back half of the exhaust has been fabricated, welded up, just needs to be installed. The diff cover's off because they're installing all the fittings for the differential cooler that's coming in the back. And in fact, the diff cooler will be where the gas tank fill spout used to be. Behind the rear license plate is where the diff cooler is going. And some shots of the rear four-link suspension, do coil over shocks, big meats. Or, wait a second, maybe that's where the diff cooler is. Maybe the pump is what goes behind the license plate. But yeah, I see a contraption up there with electrical leads, so maybe that's the cooler for the differential. The math says that 160 miles an hour, the drive shaft will be turning around 9,000 RPM. So that's the stress on the differential. This is bonus material, GTO, just about done. It's going to go out for some extra work, get ceramic coated, and it will be leaving the shop. Here's the jigsaw of the back half of the exhaust. After it was set up, and here's the dumps at the very end, tucked behind the bumper. Bonus material, looks like a nice, I think a first-gen Camaro, may be wrong, convertible. Cowl hood, it looks like. Nice Chevy Impala.